So since the last vlog, I have wired up the ESCs, as you can see there. Again, it's still a bit of a mess underneath, but the important thing that I'm going to be doing is configuring this receiver today. So I'm going to plug these motors in, or the ESC wires in. Okay, so the ESCs are plugged in, and I'm going to configure the receiver. We connect. Right. We can skip all this. Alright. We getting anything through? Nope. Okay. Finally done it. There we go. We've got channels working. Your throttle. Alright. Okay, so 2.5 hours later, I've gotten the motors to arm. That's just rattling against the table there. So I'm pretty happy with that. It's just time to organize calibrating these. I'll need to do, because on minimum throttle these are actually running at the moment. It's incredibly hard to tell that from the video, but I can tell you that they're running, whereas these aren't. Yeah, you can see that these are clear, whereas these are solid. And it disarms after 15 seconds. So, alright, let's do a calibration of the motors. Okay, that wasn't too hard. And you can see that they're now all calibrated. Okay, I've put the rotors on. These are 12-inch, so 12 inches at 38 degrees. Main goal with these was efficiency, and I'm gonna arm the motors and let's see if we can get a few feet off the ground. Alright. Wow. If nothing else, I'm impressed with the sound. I don't know if you can hear that. Beautiful. Okay, so another 2.5 hours later.